Weather Service in Des Moines has issued a flash flood warning for Marion County in south-central Iowa until 5:45 a.m. Saturday. At 11:42 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pella, Knoxville, Melcher, Dallas, Knoxville Raceway, Lake Red Rock, Harvey, Knoxville Municipal Airport, Elk Rock State Park, and Pella Municipal Airport. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. For the latest stream observations and forecasts, refer to weather.gov/Des Moines/water. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.